Time dilation is a theory that is still getting researched a lot to these days, and we are here to explain and talk about it with you. If you want to see more information about these and many other topics, feel free to check out our Instagram and website. Let's not waste any of your time. This is Mind of Science, and let's jump right to the topic. A fascinating idea in physics that originated from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity is time dilation. This idea suggests that time is a relative concept and varies depending on the situation. The theory of relativity consists of two parts, general and special relativity. Special relativity deals with objects that are moving relative to one another at constant speed, in contrast to general relativity, which takes into account the effects of gravity. Both ideas lead to the stretching or shortening of time intervals, which is known as time dilation. Time dilation is the phenomenon when two observers who are traveling in separate directions or who are in distinct gravitational fields perceive time differently from one another. There are multiple myths around time dilation. Some of them are close to the truth, others are absurd. The simplest example to describe the time dilation is that a car traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour will be seen as traveling 120 km per hour for a car traveling in the opposite direction at the same speed. Time works in a similar way. Depending on the gravity, time will feel differently. However, it is detectable only under certain conditions. Nevertheless, one thing is an exception: the light. The closer the speed is to the speed of light, slower times run for them. If you had a spaceship with the speed of light and a planet 20 light years away, then for observers on Earth, the time needed for them to arrive would be equal to 20 years, while the space crew experienced it much slower. However, we should note that the speed of light is always the same for observers, no matter what velocity they have. There are some real-life examples of time dilation. According to the book of Martin Griffin, How to Build a Time Machine, there are elementary particles called muons who travel at a speed close to the speed of light. Due to their instability, they should not reach the surface of the Earth because they can't last long enough. However, a huge number of muons do it, which can be explained by the extension of time for them. However, the aforementioned time dilation is a time dilation described in relative velocity time dilation theory. However, there is a second type of dilation, gravitational time dilation. Einstein's theory, general relativity, states that the gravitational field varies between different altitudes, which of course cannot be detected without special instruments. Time dilation can be detected by accurate clocks at high altitudes with weaker gravity. However, the dilation can be seen with the naked eye only near places with extremely high gravity, for example, black holes. There are also some strange features of time dilation, specifically the connection between the curve between 2 points and time. Time dilation can even occur depending on the severity of the curve. This is an important concept in Einstein's theory of relativity. It is caused by the observer's relative mobility and the constant speed of light. According to the hypothesis, as an object's speed approaches the speed of light, time appears to pass more slowly for that object in comparison to a stationary observer. The phenomenon means that as an object accelerates and approaches the speed of light, its clock ticks slower than an observer's clock in a fixed frame of reference. It's an intriguing look at the nature of time and space, revealing that our perception of time is not absolute and is affected by our relative velocity in the universe. Time dilation has been empirically proven to have a substantial implication for space travel, resulting in the twin paradox, in which one twin matures quicker than the other when traveling at high speeds in space. And this is basically all you need to know about time dilation. But if you want to get more detailed information, then click the link for our website in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other socials. This is Mind of Science, and we hope to see you here again.